Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Friday Night Funkin' Mechagodzilla. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off, we're going to begin with the nose. We're going to start here, and I just want to draw a rectangular shape. So we're going to make a line that goes down and over. Then we're going to go over and down. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make two small rectangle shapes. I'm going to draw one here, and I'm going to put another one over here. I'm going to make a line that goes to here, and a line that goes to here. Then we want to make a diagonal line that comes down, and that's going to come right to the top of that little rectangle. Over here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and up for the bottom of the mouth. Next, we'll make a line that goes over and up. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that comes up. It's going to go over. Then we're going to come down. Next, I want to make a line that comes out to here. Then it's going to come down again. Next, we'll draw a line that comes out and connects to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. We're going to go out and connect it to here. Then we're going to make a line that goes down and then in. Up here, I'm going to make a tall, skinny oval. Then over here, I'm going to make another tall, skinny oval, but I can only see about half of this one. Then I'm going to make a big black line on top of each one for the eyebrow. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. Then I'll draw a line that comes down a little bit and comes up. Then I'll make a line that comes over. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And another line that comes down here. And one more line that comes down this way. We'll make these a little longer. Right here, we'll draw a line that comes straight across. I'll draw a line that comes down and over with another little line down. We'll make another line that goes over. It'll come down and then back over. Make a line that comes down. I'll draw a line that goes over and connects to here. We'll connect this line. Right here, we'll draw a line that comes right down to the arm. Starting here, we'll make a line that goes down. It's going to come over and up. Then we're going to come over here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that curves down. And another line that curves down. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come down, over, and up. Another one that's going to go over, down, and over. Next, we'll make a line that comes down, and another one that comes down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to come down. We'll come back over and up here. Right here, I'll make a line that goes up. It's going to come down and over. And we'll just connect that there. Now we want to make this hand over here. So to do this, we're going to draw a little line that goes up. We're going to take the line down. We're going to bring it back towards the body and connect it. Now I'm going to do another one. I'm going to start a little lower. I'll go over. We'll go down and connect it to here. Right here, we're going to go up. It's going to come over for the thumb. And I just want to make a little line that goes back to the body for that arm. We want to make the tail back here. I'll start right down here. And you just want to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over. Then I'm going to curve this back down. I want it to get a little bit fatter as it comes back towards the body. I'm also going to draw another line that goes right down the middle. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to go down and then back for one of the spikes. Then I'll make another one that's a little bit bigger. And I'm going to put a few more of these coming right down the body. I'll put one more right here. Then I want to draw a couple little spikes coming down the tail. We'll make a little line that comes across here. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up to a sharp point, then it's going to come down and then back in for the tip of his tail. Next, I just want to add a few little details onto here. I'll add a little extra line on these just to make a little bit more detail. Make it look a little three-dimensional. Make a little line over here. I'll draw a little line that goes over and down on each spike so we can add a little bit of extra color to it. I'll make a line that goes over and down. Then I'm going to put some diagonal lines on the tail. So I'm going to go down and then I'm going to come back just to make a little bit more detail on here. I'll add a little line that goes up and over, and then a little line over for some details on here. So we'll go over and down, and then a little line over. I want to make a line that goes down and up. We'll draw a long rectangle shape here with another one at the bottom. Then I'm going to make some little lines coming across here on the chest. I'll make a couple little lines on the arm. And I'll make some lines over here on the fingers. I'll also draw a couple little lines on the bottom of the toes. Some different sizes just to add some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Friday Night Funkin' Mechagodzilla 2021. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.